Hello Lofters, this is Louis, your maintenance supervisor. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your GFI for kitchen, sink, and bathrooms. First I'm going to show you where the GFIs are located in your apartments. First, for the oven area, it's going to be on this side. The sink area is also going to be on this corner. And your bathrooms, there's only going to be one GFI for both bathrooms. Now I'm going to show you how to reset your GFI. First of all, if your top button is sticking out, you got to press it until you hear a click. Now, to reset it again, to make sure you're doing it right, the bottom button, you press it, you're going to hear a click. Now, to set it again to work, you're going to press the top one, and you're going to hear a click.